Okay, this video here is meant to be an encouragement for you to take a look at the Improv Card Magic series, in which you'll learn all of the skills necessary to do what I'm going to show you here and so much more. Okay, so I'll have a link in the description below to that series. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to choose 7 random cards. Sorry, we're kind of going off of the smaller viewing window here. Okay. So 7 random cards, and then among those 7 cards, we're going to choose, quote, a helper card, kind of to supervise, oversee the whole effect, and make sure that we stay on track here. Okay, and maybe we'll just give it a random cut. Okay, so 7 random cards. Maybe I'll deal from different, see, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, well, we know what that, well, we're both going to see what these are anyway. It doesn't actually matter. And then you randomize these. Now, once we gather these, we're not going to rearrange them, even though we're going to pull out a helper card that will help us succeed at all of this. Okay, so I'm going to, oh, sorry, need to center it in this weird window here. Okay, I think I'll use as our helper card the Queen of Clubs. She seems like a very responsible individual, so we'll go ahead and use her. Okay, and so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just deal out the cards into 2 piles, random stacking decided by you. You want right on left? Okay, very good. From there we can perform what's called a Charlier shuffle. I can include a link in the description below to that shuffle, or if you just want to randomly cut the cards, that would be just fine. From here we can perform something called a Klondike shuffle. This is where you take the top and bottom off as one. A very useful shuffle. And then why don't we deal out into 3 piles? Okay, we haven't done that yet, and I'm still going outside the viewing window. Sorry. How would you like these stacked? Left to right or right to left? Okay. Would you like to do another one of those? Okay. Now you need to know that you can do as many of these as the spectator asks for. Maybe they'll want stacking from left to right. Okay, very good. We can do an even or odd up jog. If you've heard of that before, you just jog forward the even position cards, random stacking. You want right on left. Okay, very good. We can even push off cards like this, push off pairs. Push off pairs. You want them stacked from right to left. Okay, very good. We'll do that. We can do a Pharaoh shuffle. Have you seen a Pharaoh shuffle? It's kind of weird to do it in hand, but you can. You just split it in half, and then you just perfectly interlace the cards. It's called a Pharaoh shuffle. Very useful shuffle. And why don't we deal them out into 2 piles one last time. Okay, how would you like those stacked? Left on right? Okay. Well, I think to finish, what we'll do is we'll just Klondike pairs of cards to the table. I'm kind of watching the camera. I'm doing my best now to stay within the camera view. Okay, so what have we accomplished here? So let me confer with the helper card, the Queen of Clubs here. So what have we accomplished? Oh, that's interesting. She says that we have paired up cards of the same suit. But wait, as well as we could. What does that mean? As well as we could. We matched up cards of the same suit as well as we could. That's not very good. those aren't the same suit. Oh, those are. Yeah, those are the same suit. What about these? Those are indeed the same. Oh, I see what she's trying to tell us. We can match up 2 spades and 2 diamonds. That's the best we can do here because we have this mismatched pair over here. Okay, I think we accomplished it. Very good, Queen of Clubs. Okay, so if you want to learn how to do something like this, take a look at the Improv Card Magic series, in which you'll learn about the structures on the left-hand side of the screen. Top one, the 2C, is a cyclic construction. M is a mirrored structure, and then the AMP at the bottom is where you have important pairs of cards together throughout the whole packet as pairs. So anyway, take a look at that series, and I think you'll be blown away by how quickly you're able to pull off some eye-popping mathematical card magic. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.